Hello everyone, I am Dharmik Bhatt and this is Introduction to Data Science. As you can see from the image in my bottom left corner, data science and AI are interrelated. I'll tell you how. First let me answer the question, what is data science? As you can see, too many things are going on in this image. We will address them one by one. Data science is a blend of various tools, algorithms and machine learning principles, with the goal to discover hidden patterns from the raw data. The main three components involved in data science are organizing, packaging and delivering data. Overall, it is a multidisciplinary blend of data inference, algorithm development and technology in order to solve analytically complex problems. Who can be a data scientist? Any person with an expertise in math, data science and possessing technical and programming skills and having a strong domain knowledge can become an excellent data scientist. As you can see from the image on the right side, if you are strong in maths and software engineering, you can be a data engineer. If you are strong in maths and data communication, which is none other than domain knowledge, you can be a data analyst. But if you are strong in all three, you can be a data scientist. Now, why should you learn data science? In today's world, organization and people are generating data at an immense rate, and yet we are not able to use it fully to our advantage. It is projected that by 2026, world will need 11.5 million data scientists, which means there will be an ample of job and business opportunities. On an average, a data scientist in India earns around 10 lakh per year. This is roughly 20% more than an entry-level software engineer, which is a lot for an entry-level data scientist. Now, what all skills will you need to become a data scientist? Proficiency in a programming language, math and domain knowledge. I will go over each and every point one by one. Now, there are many programming languages out there, but Python is considered best for data science. It has an immense online community which is ready to help you, and also it is very easy to learn even if you are totally new to programming. Maths. A good data scientist is the one who can draw insights from data. To train big models like neural network, you will need to have a strong understanding of calculus, statistics and probability. And this is really easy. It's not as daunting as it sounds. Domain knowledge. This is very important, yet it is very undermined. Having domain knowledge ensures that you can draw insights from raw data, and all the machine and deep learning techniques that are out there are data intensive. The quality of your data determines the standard of your model. Thus, having well formatted and clean data helps you train your model perfectly. Now, how does data science work? The below logo shows you a rough understanding of how a data science project works. In this, you start by capturing your data. You manage and clean that data so you can train your model on it. You perform analysis, exploratory analysis on that data so you can draw insights from it. Then you feed the data into a model and you get final analysis. You report this analysis and this cycle goes on and on. Now, what is the future of data science or data scientist? Having mastered all the above mentioned skills, you would be able to create things which actually matter, be it in any domain: medical, cybersecurity, robotics, arts, finance, and the list goes on. Thank you.